When we first got the Tesla, the number plate was really boxy at the front and it didn't do anything to enhance the look of the car. So we decided to try and fix this with a little mod, and we couldn't have a stick-on plate as we originally thought because these are now technically illegal in the UK. So we thought that we'd try and make a mod for the Tesla that would make the front of the car look a bit better, as well as the rear of the car. Okay, we started off by just prying the number plate out because these were aluminium plates that Tesla had put in themselves and they'd already started to delaminate about only a month after owning the car. So we decided now was a prime time to put the new plates on. As you can see, when you get the number plate off, there's a box behind and all you have to do is unscrew this from the car. As you can see here, there was some tape holding it to the back as well, but once we've got rid of this, you are left with this slimmer box at the front. So as you can see, there are some bits we need to remove so that we can put the new plates on the front of the car. Here you can see the new plates on the ground, and these are just plastic ones. We used some standard number plate tape to stick all around the box to make sure that the number plate was securely held in place. Once we'd finished sticking the tape onto the box, it was time to put the new plates on the front of the car. And as you can see, this is already looking a lot better. It is a lot thinner than it originally was, and overall just looks a lot sleeker at the front of the car. This time the box is not as big, but it still has that annoying all-wheel drive logo at the bottom, which personally we didn't like, so we decided to get rid of it. This one's quite easy, just screws again, and to get these clips out we probably use not a very technical way, but this was what worked best for us. Afterwards we just used some detailing spray to get rid of all the dirt so that the tape would adhere properly. So as you can see, we did have some exposed holes, so we cut some car vinyl and stuck those over so that no water would get in there. We used a post-it note to make sure that the number plate was aligned properly, and then we stuck it down with the same number plate tape we used on the front. And as you can see, the car looks a lot sleeker now. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it was helpful for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more Tesla and car related content, as well as using our Tesla referral code, which is on the screen now and down in the description if you didn't quite get that. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.